Alright guys, so we have a 2009 Kawasaki KX250f here. We are installing a R&D FlexJet remote access fuel screw. So basically this allows you to adjust your fuel screw without turning the carb and putting a very small flathead up in there. You can adjust it on the fly. These are super handy if you're changing racing conditions, temperatures, altitudes and stuff often, or if you have a built motor that you just need to tinker with, think you're going to need to tweak a lot to get it perfect. Some downfalls about these are usually that somebody can come by, twist your fuel screw, get it all out of whack. Some people that aren't familiar, if you let anybody else on your bike, they might think this is the idle adjustment. You know, people just, it leaves more room for error and something to go wrong. But yeah, we're going to install this on this 09. So basically what we've done is we have loosened up the front and rear boot, and we've been able to spin this carburetor enough, I think, to get a flathead. It's right up in here. And it's just a very teeny flathead. Let's see if you can see that. It's right up in there. Very, very small flathead. And we're going to take that out.